therefore unlawful. Any law resulting from an unlawful act is itself unlawful. We have every power, jurisdiction, and right to make the enforcement of such non-delegated power, such unlawful act, a crime. You may recall last year I authored House Concurrent Resolution 6, affirming states' rights based on justice. Legislation using language taken from HCR 6, but not New Hampshire. Therefore, I will be introducing the son of HCR 6, a state rights sovereignty bill, and a health care freedom bill.
Hey! What you got, Dan?
The state rights sovereignty bill will create a joint committee of the House and Senate to consider the constitutionality of federal acts, orders, rules, and regulations, no loopholes. And will consider making the enforcement of those unconstitutional acts, orders, rules, and regulations, prohibiting it or making it a crime. That will give you a permanent mechanism to restrain the federal government.
Yeah.
The Health Care Freedom Act will make it a crime, a misdemeanor, to interfere with or deny new health care or health insurance based on a federal act, order, rule, or regulation which the General Court of New Hampshire, the legislature, has not given consent. Why? Because Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution of the United States does not delegate any power to Congress over your health care. If you want to see legislation like this passed, then while these bills are